Hi folks, so this morning I'm at Port Sutton Bridge and I'm videoing a couple of ships, one of which has already been unloaded. That's the Rix Pacific. That's been unloaded of its cargo of aggregate, and the tug lorries are coming round and being loaded with a loading shovel to take it way back down to store in the port. The other ship is the Bering, and unusually for Port Sutton Bridge, that has been brought in facing upstream. So at some point I would presume that's going to be turned in the basin. Most of the ships here, like the Rix Pacific, are brought in stern first now because the basin isn't as clear of silt as it used to be. Anyway, the Bering is waiting to be unloaded of its cargo of aggregate as well. There's not much activity on that at the moment. I guess they're waiting to clear the dockside of the other aggregate before they unload the Bering. Couple of nice still images of the Rix Pacific and the Bering at anchor in Port Sutton Bridge. Bering waiting to be discharged of her cargo, and the Rix Pacific has already been.